Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys phone charging sound in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you don't like guys your phone charging sound guys, you want to disable it. So friend, how can you disable? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable guys Infinix phone charging sound. Guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting. So friends, click on guys your phone guys sound and vibration setting guys. Tap here sound and vibration. Again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone charging sound and vibration setting guys. You don't like guys, you can disable from here guys. So after disable guys, when you will charge your phone guys, your phone charging sound will not work in your Infinix phone device guys. So I friends have understood how to disable phone charging sound. So bye bye friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. I friends have understood how to disable phone charging sound in Infinix phone device. So bye guys.